Hi, I'm Molly McKee and I'm a buyer here at Whole Earth Provision Company. Welcome to South by Southwest. South by is one of the biggest events in Austin every year with over 100,000 people traveling to our awesome, awesome city. So what do you do to prepare for South by? First of all, you need the right clothes. Comfort is essential. Yes, you want to look good. Yes, you want to show your style, but you want to feel great when you're out and about for 12 hours every day. Right now, I'm wearing just a cozy knit t-shirt, something a little bit extra than just your basic, and these great technical pants from Royal Robbins. These guys are made from a super stretchy material that has a DWR on the fabric. That means that if you spill a little bit of wine on yourself, you can just brush it right off, or if it's sprinkling, you're gonna stay dry. Also, these guys have cargo pockets, a little cell phone pocket inside your regular pocket, and a hidden pocket for your ID or your money. Also, you need super comfortable shoes. I'm not kidding when I say that I walk 6 to 10 miles a day when I'm at South by. Right now, I'm wearing these Teva platforms that have a super supple foam sole. These guys are so comfortable, plus they'll let your feet breathe. Mid-March in Austin is generally pretty warm and sunny. It is definitely springtime here, so you want to make sure you have the right sunglasses to keep your eyes safe and to be able to see all the great stuff. If you're worried about too much sun on your face, a little hat will do the trick. Don't forget you're in Texas, so the weather's unpredictable. Bring a light layer for if it rains or when it gets cold at night, like this great jacket from Cotopaxi. After you have your outfits picked out, you want to make sure you have the right bag. Backpacks or fanny packs are a great option to carry your stuff around. I really love these little backpacks from Fjallraven. They come in a couple of sizes, one a little bit bigger than this. This one's great for all of your purse stuff. So what do you need to put in your bag? There's a lot of different things that you might consider bringing for South by. Keep Austin beautiful with your reusable cup or your reusable water bottle. Along with your water bottle or cup, you're probably going to want a reusable straw. In that same hydration vein, these Noon tablets are going to give you the electrolytes you need to recover from a long night. Keep your electronics charged all day with this reusable power bank. Last but not least, if you're going to a lot of those music events, bring your earplugs. You'll thank me later. Get all your South by needs at Whole Earth Provision Company.